In the arid plains of southern Peru lies one of the most enigmatic and awe-inspiring archaeological wonders of the world, the Nazca Lines. Stretching across the Nazca Desert, these massive geoglyphs have intrigued explorers, scientists, and historians for decades. Their sheer scale and complexity raise profound questions about their purpose and the civilization that created them. Who built these lines and why? What do they represent? Today, we delve into the theories surrounding the Nazca Lines, exploring the various interpretations and the mysteries that continue to captivate our imaginations. The Nazca Lines consist of hundreds of individual figures, ranging from simple geometric shapes to elaborate representations of animals, plants, and human figures. The most famous of these designs include the hummingbird, the monkey, and the spider, each meticulously crafted and visible only from the sky. But how were these lines created, and what was their intended purpose? One of the prevailing theories suggests that the lines served a religious or ceremonial function. According to this view, the Nazca people believed that the gods inhabited the sky, and the lines were a form of worship. By creating these enormous designs, they sought to communicate with their deities, hoping to gain favor or protection. This theory is supported by the fact that many of the figures align with astronomical events, such as solstices and equinoxes. For instance, the alignment of certain geoglyphs with the rising and setting sun during significant celestial events suggests that the Nazca people had a sophisticated understanding of astronomy. The presence of ceremonial sites nearby further reinforces this theory, as these locations could have been used for rituals aimed at honoring the gods. However, the religious theory isn't the only explanation for the Nazca Lines. Another hypothesis posits that they were created as part of agricultural practices. The Nazca civilization thrived in a harsh desert environment where water was scarce. Some researchers believe that the lines were used as a way to mark water sources or to facilitate irrigation. They could have been part of a larger system of water management, guiding the flow of water to crops and ensuring the survival of their agricultural practices. Supporters of this theory point to the intricate network of aqueducts and underground channels that the Nazca people developed to transport water. The geoglyphs might have functioned as a visual aid, helping farmers navigate the landscape and understand the most efficient way to utilize water resources. A more recent theory suggests that the Nazca Lines could have been used for social or territorial demarcation. In a time when resources were limited, it is conceivable that these large, visible markings served as boundaries between different groups or clans. This theory aligns with the idea that the lines were not just artistic expressions, but practical tools for organizing social life in a challenging environment. Yet, despite these theories, the true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains shrouded in mystery. Archaeologists and historians continue to debate their origins and functions, and new discoveries frequently challenge existing paradigms. For example, some researchers have proposed that the lines could have been a form of artistic expression, a way for the Nazca people to showcase their creativity and cultural identity. This perspective emphasizes the importance of art and symbolism in ancient societies, suggesting that the lines were a reflection of the Nazca civilization's values and beliefs. As we explore these theories, it's essential to consider the technological capabilities of the Nazca people. How did they create such vast and precise designs without modern tools? One widely accepted explanation is that the Nazca utilized a method called ground scraping. By removing the top layer of reddish-brown iron oxide pebbles, they revealed the lighter-colored soil beneath. This technique allowed them to create striking contrasts, making the lines visible from above. Interestingly, the scale of these designs is astounding. Some of the geoglyphs stretch for hundreds of meters, while others are just a few feet in length. The question remains, how did the Nazca people manage to maintain accuracy over such vast distances? Some researchers believe that they used simple tools, such as ropes and stakes, to guide their work. By laying out a grid system, they could ensure that each line was straight and proportionate. Moreover, the location of the Nazca Lines adds another layer of intrigue. Situated in a region with limited rainfall and minimal vegetation, the lines have been remarkably well preserved over the centuries. This preservation has allowed researchers to study the geoglyphs in detail, but it also raises questions about the environmental conditions that facilitated their creation. The arid climate and lack of erosion have preserved the lines, allowing us to glimpse the ingenuity of the Nazca civilization. As we reflect on the theories surrounding the Nazca Lines, it's essential to acknowledge the cultural context in which these geoglyphs were created. The Nazca civilization flourished between 200 BCE and 600 CE, a time when they developed intricate social structures, advanced agricultural techniques, and rich artistic traditions. The lines may have been a manifestation of their cultural identity, reflecting their beliefs, values, and relationship with the natural world. The allure of the Nazca Lines is not just in their size or shape, but in the questions they pose about human creativity and the search for meaning. They invite us to ponder the ways in which ancient peoples interacted with their environment and expressed their beliefs. Each geoglyph serves as a testament to the ingenuity of the Nazca people, who transformed their landscape into a canvas of mystery and wonder. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the Nazca Lines, we are reminded of the limitations of our understanding. New technologies, such as drones and satellite imagery, are providing fresh insights into the geoglyphs, revealing previously unnoticed designs and patterns. These advancements encourage us to consider that the Nazca Lines may hold even more secrets than we currently comprehend. In recent years, researchers have uncovered additional geoglyphs that challenge traditional interpretations. Some of these newly discovered figures resemble animals not previously associated with the Nazca culture, raising questions about cultural exchange and influence. Did the Nazca people borrow ideas from neighboring civilizations, or were they influenced by other cultures that came into contact with them? The Nazca Lines continue to inspire intrigue and fascination, serving as a bridge between the past and the present. They compel us to seek answers, to unravel the stories hidden in the sands of time. Theories about their purpose and creation may evolve, but the magic of the Nazca Lines remains intact, inviting us to explore the depths of human creativity and the mysteries of our shared history. As we conclude our exploration of the Nazca Lines, it's clear that they are more than mere markings on the ground. They are a testament to the ingenuity of a civilization that thrived in a challenging environment, a reflection of their beliefs, and a source of ongoing mystery. Each theory, whether rooted in religion, agriculture, social organization, or artistic expression, highlights the complexity of human thought and creativity. The Nazca Lines remind us that, even in our modern world, there are still vast mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The allure of the unknown continues to draw us in, inviting us to explore our past and understand the complexities of human existence. So, as we gaze upon these ancient geoglyphs from above, let us remember the stories they hold and the questions they inspire, ensuring that the legacy of the Nazca civilization endures for generations to come. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like and subscribe for more mysterious stories. Hit the bell to never miss an episode.